Storm Team forecast.
Well, it was a very warm day, and boy, we actually broke a few records again. Take a look at those observed temperatures in the city of McAllen, 98, but the previous record was actually set in 2021 with 97. Harlingen, 96. The previous record was 94 in 1931, and Brownsville 97 today, and that previous record was actually 94 in the year 2021. So again, we are still seeing that warm trend of temperatures being above average and breaking records right in the middle of the fall season. Now tomorrow, those temperatures will again be above average. The average should be 86, but take a look at these values around the western portions of the valley, of the upper valley. 100 degrees for Rio Grande City, La Joya with 99, McAllen 98, and just a tad cooler of the eastern portions of the valley with 96 in the city of Harlingen. But again, it is still going to be warm, and that means that you have to keep following those safety measures and keep drinking water throughout the day, even if you are not thirsty. Now let's take a look at Futurecast, because there we have our front, our cold front that is going to slowly roll down through the area, through the valley, and it's going to bring a slight increase in some showers, mostly over the coastal areas of the valleys around Brownsville and around the island. But again, not a whole lot in terms of precipitation, just a few straight showers here and there. And then after this front passes the area, it will leave us with a cooler air mass that is going to be bringing down those temperatures at least after Wednesday. Now, in terms of rainfall, like I just mentioned, not much to expect, so don't get too excited. Most of that rain will be located over the northern portions of the valley around Armstrong, the island, and parts of South Padre Island as well, but basically traces, not a whole lot of rain to expect from this frontal system. Now let's take a look at the tropics, because we have out in the Caribbean major hurricane Melissa. Take a look at this satellite presentation right now. This is a massive storm. Currently, winds are sitting at 175. Look at that pinhole eye. This is perfection. This gives you an idea of how strong this system is, and it still has the ability, the capacity to keep gaining strength over the night hours, and it's actually moving slower now, only at 2 miles an hour. And this is the future track. Again, 175 miles an hour. It should be making landfall around 7 a.m. in the morning in the southern portions of Jamaica, and then the second landfall should be in the southern eastern portions of Cuba, and a third landfall over the Bahama Islands on Wednesday. So this is a storm that we're going to be talking about a lot more over the coming days. So in that region, if you know any friends or have any relatives living in that region, tell them to take shelter now. Now, returning home, the next 7 days on that 7-day forecast, take a look at those temperatures for Tuesday, 96 on average. Now, on Wednesday, things are going to start to change, because that cold front will be arriving to the valley, dropping those temperatures to 80, and same pattern will actually continue for the rest of the week, with temperatures, the highs, dropping to those 70s and 80s, and on the evening hours, temperatures will be dropping to those 50 and 52, so it'll be time to pull up those sweaters, because sweater weather is actually on the way. And that's a look at your 7-day forecast.